recaps in a fun and engaging way. Subscribe now for more thrilling summaries of your favorite films. Let's begin with Interstellar. It is a complex movie about time, gravity, wormholes, and binary codes. Cooper is a former NASA pilot but now grows corn because the world needs farmers. The planet is dying from hunger. He has two kids, Murph and Tom. Murph thinks a ghost is in her room because books fall from the shelf. Cooper tells her to observe. One day a dust storm comes. Murph's room has strange dust lines. Cooper studies them. They form a binary message. He decodes the message. It shows a location. Cooper and Murph go there but are caught. A robot questions Cooper. Amelia takes him to her father, Professor Brand. NASA still exists in secret. Earth is dying. Crops are failing. They must leave Earth. NASA has a spaceship called Endurance. A wormhole appeared near Saturn 48 years ago. 13 astronauts searched for habitable planets. 3 sent signals back. Brand has 2 plans. Plan A will move humans to space. Plan B will restart humanity with embryos. NASA needs a pilot. Cooper agrees. Murph is upset. He gives her a watch. He says time moves slower in space. When he returns, she may be as old as him. Cooper and his team go through the wormhole. They reach a black hole called Gargantua. They land on the first planet, Miller's. It has only water. No land. No life. They find Miller's wrecked spacecraft. Brand walks toward what she thinks are mountains. Cooper realizes they are giant waves caused by strong gravity. Brand gets stuck but the robot TARS saves her. Doyle is not so lucky. He drowns. Their spacecraft fills with water and they spend over 3 hours fixing it. When they return to Endurance, Romilly has aged a lot. He says 23 years have passed on Earth. Cooper checks video messages. His son says their grandfather has died. He is now married with children. Cooper is the same age but is now a grandfather. Murph sent only one message. She was angry. She recorded it on her birthday. Cooper had said he might return when she was her age. Now she is that age. She is a scientist working with Professor Brand. The team must pick one more planet. Cooper and Romilly want Man's planet because it is closer. Brand wants Edmund's planet because the data is better. She also loves Edmund's. They have fuel for only one planet. They choose Man's. When they arrive, they wake Dr. Man from his sleeping chamber. Man says humans can live on this planet. Murph sends a message. She says Professor Brand lied. Plan A was never possible. They need black hole data to solve the equation. Now only Plan B can work. No one on Earth can be saved. Murph blames Cooper but still tries to solve the equation. Cooper feels sad and wants to return to Earth. Romilly suggests sending TARS into the black hole to get the data. They have little fuel. Going near the black hole will make them faster. But time on Earth will pass quickly. Cooper still hopes to save everyone. They see Man robot is broken. Man says it had a problem. They believe him but later find he lied. This planet is not safe. Man faked data so they would rescue him. Cooper and Man fight. Man tries to kill Cooper. Romilly dies helping Cooper. Man takes his lander to Endurance to escape. He reaches first but fails to dock. His lander explodes, killing him and damaging Endurance. Cooper docks Endurance and stabilizes it. The ship moves toward the black hole. If he does nothing it will be lost. Plan A failed. Cooper wants Plan B to work. He uses a gravitational slingshot to send Endurance to Edmund's planet. He cannot return to Earth. The ship is too heavy. Cooper detaches with TARS. Amelia stays in Endurance to complete Plan B. Endurance moves toward Edmund's planet. Cooper falls into the black hole. In real science nothing escapes a black hole. But in the movie, Cooper survives. He sends TARS inside for data then follows. He loses contact with TARS. He expects to die but reaches the Tesseract. Time exists as a physical thing. He sees Murph's room where she once saw a ghost. Cooper sees many timelines of Murph's room in the Tesseract. Some are past, some are future. He wants to stop Murph from letting him leave but does not know how to talk to her. He remembers gravity can move between dimensions. He pushes books to send a message. He tells Murph to stay. During a dust storm he uses gravity to send NASA's location in binary. Murph thought it was a ghost but it was future Cooper. TARS gives Cooper data from the black hole. This data can solve Dr. Brand's equation and save people. Cooper must send this data to Murph. He finds her in the future. She is now a scientist and has his watch. He moves the watch hand in binary to send the data. Murph understands her father is sending a message. She solves the equation. Scientists move people to a space station. Humanity is saved. After sending the data, the Tesseract disappears. Time moved slowly there. Cooper's short time inside was 50 years on Earth. Astronauts find him. He wakes up on a huge space station. Humans have advanced. They created gravity so people live in space. The station is called Cooper Station. He thinks it is named after him, but it is named after his daughter Murph. Cooper meets his daughter Murph. She is very old. On Earth, Cooper is 125 years old. But in reality he has aged only a few years. Murph tells him he has no family left on the space station. Cooper decides to leave. He goes to the third planet where Amelia went. Amelia lands safely on the planet. It looks habitable. She plans to grow the human population as part of Plan B. The film ends here. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to like, subscribe and share for more exciting recaps. See you in the next one.